Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Victorium ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Kinongilam jong Nonghikai School Deficit kibadan hapo ka Joint Action Committee jong ka Khasi Jentia Deficit School Teachers Association but ka Garo Hills Deficit School Teachers and Employees Association ha ka Henryutrik ubna yayong arajar arpuway kila penbana bakin pensange Shwa Shipor ya ki Jingïakhih bakila penbana dangshen ban pensedang no ya ka Jingïakhih ha ka benta ka baar ne ka phase 2. Habaya keren mat kilat pathai khubor ka chairperson jong ka Joint Action Committee ka Kong Susan's aim kalayatho baka jingbo teng Shwa ban penlong ya ka Jingïakhih hagni ka kenti kalong halor ka nongrim bakum gi Nonghikai kila haban perkhat bha Shwa ya ki jing'e ki bami kawai hadin kawai pat hapo ka jilla bat ka bala ru ban kta wat ya ka puli ka puthi jong ki khenna Skul.
Ngakaban penshajapi but we have come earlier ngilawan men Shwa ban pentip ngila along ready. Yaka second phase of agitation jungi baka sarkar ka snap kuman kumni yaka ni kijing kwa jungi on the government's adamant attitude towards our demands, our rights. So I'm informed that we are going to inform our teachers, our colleagues 24 hours before we pitch into the second phase. Not that within 24 hours time we will agitate. However, we just had an emergency meeting. And because of the pandemic and because of the spike in cases that is going on in our state, especially in other states, with the danger of having so many returnees coming home, we have said that yes, we will keep the second phase of agitation, but we will keep it at bay because there are other issues in the state that will affect the common man and especially our students. So we have decided to keep it at bay. Tingila rai bingin up Shwa yakani ka second phase jungi namarba hoat ni shitom hoat ni jenjar handrengi dai ning kong ki Nonghikai ki belong responsible yim kwa ba nalor kani ka jing jenjar kani ngin pen jenjar samangi. And there are so many forms of agitation. Kam dai et taman pendik yaki kena ban pendik yaki ki pa ban pendik yaki management ki bon ki forms of agitation ka bangila ban lek but ngidang ya but ngidang ya perkhat menta ka e ka sinjam ka bangin ya le ban ya ka tu ka bangila rai man Shwa ngin saya shong la ki Garo Hills ni pat ya kendo yaki. Request all our colleagues to kindly bear with us and bear with all the situation that is going on. You understand, we know your intellects, so we will come up with something and we will agitate and we will show that our silence is not our weakness. We know what to do. Ngindang yakundu ngindang pa achiti show Prime Minister, ngindang pa achiti show human rights at national level ru, ngindang pa achiti katuka dike all these are all agitational programs kabangiyay. Kamdade bangi sange. We have not postponed, we have not stalled, we have not done anything. We are still doing work underground and we are still agitating. We keep it in abeyance because of the prevailing situation. Nothing is predictable now because of the situation. We all have to play by ear. Isapat ka long no ka jinglong jong perthai ka jinglong jong ka samay. Kum ki Nonghikai ki bangi don ro ki khon ki babon ki jongi ki ban yale exam. But ki khanaro ki la ya ling babon ki jing e man chim mangi ngin long ka daw jong ka ma jing thut ngathrai ngim kwa ate but ngasu thu ba ki bi paro kin kershani ngi la dengi ong ta. Kum ki Nonghikai kam snow day nrei lada kendo mo siang te lesi mansi ngin sia pe yakata bangim shania ka government ngi di ban shania ka government ka bangi elect mangi te we have no choice ka jing tho chu Prime Minister ka just to make him aware of what is going on here and if he can come to rescue us, that would be good. You should leave everything to the government there. We should also allow the management to take their own call there and see the situation. You should nyali sarkar na dong shadong ting atray Nonghikai halaki school management ki diban pet lagi jong kena but lada ka khang ni kam khang sarkar lada small day ban diban khang atray diban khang lada don't come as of now but he don't come he. Sebentar kami kajing kali hangi ki Nonghikai deficit school teachers ba kajing kentho jong Bak mak mar manyang director jo kay ambos ong ba ka Jingïakhih jungi ka nung kata ay ngimpat ong ti bangin kata ay exams ngimpat ong ti kata ka he spoke as an officer, as a responsible officer. We have no comments on that. He is ready for anything, and we appreciate his hard work. We appreciate his effort. No, he has to be ready for any outcome.